Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to fix HBO Max app logo not showing. So to fix the issue of HBO Max not now just Max app logo not appearing, you should primarily restart your device, clear cache, update the app device software, or reinstall the app. So first thing, let's go with the basic one, that is restarting your device. So hold on to your side button and click onto the restart button. That should be able to fix. Now moving on, what you could also do is here you just want to go to your settings on your device and look for system, or just go to the system section, scroll down right to the bottom, and there you have these software update. You click onto the software update and make sure that your device or software is updated to the latest version. Moving on, if the issue still persists on, you want to make sure to go ahead and open up your respective app store, install HBO Max once again, and see that fixes or not. If not, or if you're not still able to see the following option or the following logo, now what you want to do is here you basically want to go ahead and use a VPN, as HBO Max is not available all the reason. So it could be due to the restrictions. So you just want to make sure to use the VPN, and that should definitely help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.